Hello and welcome to another update about Ethereum. Probably one of the most interesting charts at the moment. Also one of the most, reliable charts, or at least one of the charts with the highest potential at the moment, in my opinion. We are still focusing here on lower. We talked about that we are still here in a wave C of a wave 2. So if that wave 2 is complete, as soon as that is complete, we should ideally see a reversal to the upside in a wave 3. That should be a very bullish wave that could take us to $3,000 roughly. Important to understand is that we are just now trying to enter the target area again at 1280. That is according to the primary expectation. In the previous videos we talked about that this move down here in the wave C of the wave 2 is probably an ending diagonal, in that we can count all the subwaves as 3 waves. And the latest move down here, which was fairly strong in a wave A, would indicate that this was a wave B, and we're now coming down in a wave C. When do we have confirmation that we are coming down in wave C really? I think that would be a break below the 1255 level, this swing low here. So disregard the blue count for a moment. We're talking about the yellow count here, ABC. Primary expectation would be that we follow through here. Very important to understand, Ethereum doesn't need another low to complete the pattern. We had 5 waves down already. We could count this here as complete. The low at 12, where do we get? 1220, okay? But the move up was not a convincing 5-wave pattern yet. Therefore, I'm still on the lookout for lower prices. And again, as long as we don't get above $1,400, at the moment I'm going to be focused on the downside. That is the key that needs to be understood here. What else to talk about? So the next low, as I said, would most likely get sort of into the region between 1200, 1150. And then this would be another batch I would buy. I already bought at 1250. The next one will be another one, and I intend then to take profits in wave 3. So this is sort of the overall picture here. As you might remember, if you've been watching my videos anyway, you'll know that the move from $880 to the upside here was a wave 1. At least that is the current thesis, and we're coming down in a wave 2. The wave 2 remains valid until we break below $1,000. Then we need to really think about something much more bearish here. But this here is my entry point, absolutely, to trade the wave 3. Can I promise the lows are holding? No, of course not. Very important to understand that as well. There are never certainties, only probabilities and risk to reward. And at the moment, the reward is quite high compared to the possible risk. That is why I'm entering here. Very important to understand also that this could be a bullish pattern, because as I said, we have entered my target area that was defined many weeks ago, and we have 5 waves down as complete. They can be counted as complete. We can also count this as a first 5 wave up, wave 2 down, but this latest move down now destroys the bullish possibility, the imminently bullish possibility. Don't get me wrong. So we said in the previous video we could already have the breakout, but we would need to break as a minimum of above 1360, and even better above 1400. 1400, that would be the confirmation for me. But again, it didn't happen. We bounced off nicely the 1360 level and follow my primary expectation at the moment. Of course, this could still be a 1-2-1-2 setup, but take it off the chart for now because we have an overlap. It also can't be a 1-2-3-4 because we came down too much. So we'll disregard the imminently bullish count, and focus would be further on the downside. Again, a break below 1250 would confirm that we are indeed in a wave C. Now, at the moment, I don't really see a lot of structure in this, but in a wave C, we might be, we want to see ideally a 5-wave count as well. So this might be currently the wave 1 of C. So we're waiting for wave 2 pullback that needs to remain below 1360 as well. Very important to continue the further downtrend. That's my update about ETH. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.